Hello. If the meetings you facilitate seem to be like Groundhog Day, maybe it is time to go for a different approach. I have listened to so many people being totally frustrated about attending meetings with no clear purpose, non-structured, and no meeting minutes. Of course, this is a waste of people's time, energy, and productivity. However, today I want to talk about the ultimate meeting hack when you get a meeting started. Help people to focus on the gain rather than the gap. Simply ask them what went well since the last meeting. Everyone should share because that's good for them and for you. Hear me out. Of course, you have to deal with many challenges, obstacles, and frustrations on a daily basis. But if people work really hard every day and you want to see better results, everyone has to start focusing on improvements along the way. Explain to your team that you want to change the meeting structure and that you want to hear what improvements they see. The bad is always available, but so is the good. Progress is part of the process and it will lead to better results. When people leave a meeting, they shouldn't feel negative, frustrated, and beat themselves up. This is a lot of wasted mental energy. They should feel energized and motivated to tackle any challenge that comes their way. Starting a meeting on a positive note will give them the energy necessary to deal with problems along the way, and it is good for their mental health. Always remember, nobody can bring positive results with a negative mind. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.